Are you having an autistic kid, and are you suffering from the issue of cognitive development delay or language development delay, hyperactivity or hypersensitivity? Then please stay tuned on this video so that you can get the answer to all your problems, how you can get a quick recovery from all these major issues. Iron is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in various body functions like oxygen transport or energy production and immune system. This is a very important mineral which helps us to speak also. If there is a deficiency in iron, then what can be the problems that you will be suffering? We will be discussing about that over here today. Hello and welcome to the channel Autism with Koirav. Here I am an autistic mother, and today we are going to discuss over here about the deficiency of iron and the issues that you may suffer if you are having iron deficiency in your child. What are the symptoms of iron deficiency? The symptoms of iron deficiency are feeling tired, pale nails, weakness, pale lips, pale nails, pale skin, breathing trouble, irregular heartbeat, brittle nails, hair loss, and the cravings will be like ice cravings or dirt cravings. All these things will be the cravings. Usually you will find that autistic kids have these issues if they are facing the iron deficiency issue. Blood loss, low iron rich food intake and poor iron absorption in your body may lead to iron deficiency. I would like to give you a disclaimer that I am not a doctor, and I have just shared all the information in this video of whatever knowledge we have gathered from the internet, and all the information that we are sharing here is available on the internet and not made by us. So now let's move on to the test that you may need to do in case the child is suffering from iron deficiency. Tests that you may need to do for autism kids are serum iron, serum ferritin, total iron binding capacity, transferrin, or complete blood count. Usually the iron normal levels are 59 to 158 Ng by DL, and the treatment is usually medicinal treatment, or along with that you may do in initial levels. You may also take dietary changes such as red meat, poultry, fish, legumes, leafy green vegetables, fortified cereals, or iron supplements. Now, iron and autism, what is the link between iron and autism? First is cognitive impairment. Iron deficiency impacts cognitive abilities like language development, problem solving, and attention span. Behavioral changes, usually hyperactivity, aggression, social withdrawal, or various issues that you suffer if you are having iron deficiency. Sensory processing issues, usually hypersensitive to sound, texture, and light. And genetic factors that you see is iron deficiency impacts the genetic factors affecting the influence of and the development of ASD. Please note that here whatever we are saying doesn't create the issue of ASD, but may increase the level of ASD if your child is suffering from iron deficiency. But do not think that deficiency of iron has made or generated ASD in your child, but it may increase the level of iron deficiency in your child. If you have followed the video so long, then please like, comment, and share the video so that many people who do not know this information get to know this information. And please press the subscribe button so that my channel gets subscribed to you all and you all keep getting notifications. And also please remember to press the bell icon so that you get notification as and when we upload videos in our channel. Thank you. Please stay tuned and stay subscribed. Thank you.